school? But check this out. I just want to add a little bit on why we're here today. I'm looking in the audience, I see some people that I've known since I was in my early 20s. I see other people that I've worked together with over the last 10 years trying to bring education justice to the city of Chicago. Many of you have gone to school board meetings, have testified, have jumped over every hoop that CPS has said to jump over. And still, they made the same decisions over and over again that have damaged schools in our community. We are here today because you cannot sit up and burn a turkey black, put barbecue sauce on it, and then feed it to me like it's a good turkey. You cannot sit up here and destabilize our communities and then say it's in your best interest. We're not having that anymore. So what we're saying to you, brothers and sisters, is no matter whether you live in Pilsen, whether you in Albany Park, whether you in Kenwood, Oakland, whether you in Edgewater, whether you in North Lawndale, whether you in Inglewood, wherever you stay, our fight for the next however long it takes is to get rid of that school board. Y'all with us? Are y'all with us? Are y'all with us? Who school? Who school? Who school? Did you all know that since 2002, fewer than 20% of the schools that have replaced closed schools are high-performing schools now? Despite the fact they can pick who they want in the classroom and kick out who they want, still fewer than 1 in 5 of those schools are high-performing. Is that school reform to you? But they keep shoving it down our throat and we're supposed to take it. So, I made it my personal mission. They got the metal words of Robin Harris back in the day. Gotta go, gotta go. Gotta go, gotta go. So repeat after me. Gotta go, gotta go. Gotta go, gotta go. So today we're gonna bring brothers and sisters up around the city, unified in this fight. No longer we just fighting our own neighborhoods, y'all. We standing together. Who's school? Who's school?